Aloha, this is the Aloha King. Welcome to Team World. Please be a part of our ohana, our team, our family.
This is James from Tanzania. Welcome to the Team World. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Monika. I'm from Germany. Welcome to the Team World. Let's be part of the Team World.
Hi, hello. I'm Rafael VN007 from Lakshadweep. Welcome to Team World. Let's be a part of Team World. Yo!
Hi, I'm Matteo from Italy. Let's be part of the Team World. Enjoy this view. This is the most important cathedral of Milan in Italy. See you.
Hello, this is Ahmet from Turkey. I'm a professional tour guide and I would like to welcome you in our country that meets two continents, Asia and Europe. I am on the Asian side now, but I can also accompany you on the European side. So welcome to our country wholeheartedly.
Hi friends, I am Krishna from Kolkata, India. Let's be part of the Team World.
This is Mount Meru. We are heading to base camp Sado Hut. My name is Paroko from Tanzania. I just welcome you to the Team World. Thank you. You're welcome. We are Mount Meru for 3 days, and we welcome you next month. All right.
Welcome to Team World.
Hi, my name is Nap Moses from Ghana. Welcome to Team Well. Let's be part of Team Well.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm Eric from Rwanda. Please visit Rwanda. I'd like to join Team World together. So one walk, same course. Thank you.
Hello, dear Lieutenant. This is Azerbaijan, land of fire. Come to Azerbaijan.